Hello guys, today I'm going to do some experiments with eggs. The first one I'm going to try is bouncing egg. For this experiment we need 1 egg, glass container and 1 cup of vinegar. Put the egg in the glass container having vinegar. You can observe bubbles coming from the eggshell. This is because eggshells are made up of calcium carbonate. If you soak an egg in vinegar, the eggshell will absorb the acid in the vinegar and break down or dissolve. The calcium carbonate will become carbon dioxide, which will go into the air. The second experiment is floating egg in water. For this experiment, you will need 2 glasses of fresh water, 2 eggs and 3 tablespoons of salt. You should mix the salt until you get a super saturated solution. The salt water is denser than the fresh water. The egg will sink in the fresh water because it has greater density than the fresh water.